Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well, and today here I am with you with a new video where I'll show you how you can apply your kajal which won't budge or which won't smudge. So here I am, and please tell me how you apply your kajal, the way I am applying or in a very different way. So here I am applying my kajal so that it looks great first, and then I'll apply to my waterline, and that looks great immediately after application. But if you have watery eyes like me, it start washing off after some hours. It will start getting washed off after 8 to 10 hours if I say, and it will wash off from the inner corner and the outer corner. It looks like after a couple of hours like this, and before you know, by the end of the day, this is how it becomes. And how do we avoid this? And if we see after 4 to 5 hours, 3 to 4 hours later, this will look like this, and then it will gradually smudge off and budge off. After 10 hours it will look like that. So we don't want that, right? So here is the hack how you can use it. Here I am applying Lakme 9 to 5 compact powder. First you need to set it off with the translucent powder, inner corner and the outer corner as well, which is going to dry up and set any wet foundation or concealer that's around your eyes, which can very well smudge your eyeliner by creating dryness around your eyes. The chances of smudging is minimized. Thing, one more thing you need to remember, that our waterline is watery, right? So we will apply the kajal on the outer layer of the waterline, not inside. So here, yes, not in the inner corner, because we know that our inner corner is also watery. So we will try our best not to apply that kajal. So here I am applying just herb kajal, which is my one of the favorite kajal ever. I always try to use this. So I'm applying on the outer corner as well as on the outer borderline or waterline of my eyes, so that it can be dry up and it can be closest to your lashes, where you will apply your eye pencil, and the other area to avoid the inner corner, where your eyes are more sensitive. Eyes tend to water in the inner corner. First try to avoid anything that can irritate the area with the makeup, and I'm going to slowly apply a brown or any powder compact, so that similarly you are using this for your eyes to dry up, and I'm using this also to set this kajal so that it won't smudge off. This is the hack where you will use it. You can apply any eyeshadow or any compact powder similarly you have used to conceal your powder, to conceal your foundation. So I'm here applying any compact powder, or you can take any eyeshadow. It will, if it will be black, it is great. And so I'm setting it off with a brush. Whatever brush you have, you can use it up so that it won't smudge or budge it off. If you need any information on any product that I'm using today, you'll find that in the description box right below this video. As you can see, the eyeliner looks a lot more darker because it's mattified now, and eyeshadow has now sealed. It can stop at this. You can stop at this, or you can double proof it. I am trying to apply on the outer corner as well as in the inner corner of the eyelashes where I have applied the kajal. You can also try to do that. You can take any eyeshadow or powder to fix it up so that it can be mattified and it won't smudge or budge out from your eyes. This is the hack you need to try when you are applying kajal, and you will see it won't budge out or it won't smudge whenever you are going in the party or in the summer season, or you have oily skin. It won't budge off. So if you want any more dramatic eyes like the way I does, I am applying here any brown eyeshadow you can take. I'm using Lakme dark brown eyeshadow, so you can also use it and apply it on your outer corner or as well as the outer waterline of the eye, so that it can create a good look and so that it can be double proof. And you can leave it like for 24 hours, and you will see it is not smudging off, it is not buzzing off. So I'm to add some more drama into my eyes, I'm applying here brown, deep brown mascara, deep brown eyeshadow. I'm applying here deep brown eyeshadow so that it can look more dramatic and it will give you this much clear look. If you're applying one stroke of kajal, it will give you look like this, or if you want you can use it more than two or three strokes. It is as per you, the way you want to look like. See, and I have applied it on the outer corner of my waterline so that it can look good. So for more information you can refer to the comment box. Thank you for watching.